We're done with the putty matrix. You can set that to the side. We will not need that anymore. Now I'm going to start building up the facial wall, just as I showed, demonstrated with the illustrations. We have the palatal wall completed. Now I have to start bringing out the thickness using my dentin material. So whether you're using a hybrid composite or a nano composite, we want to use something that's more opaque to help limit that shine through that we're going to see more with the composite than we do with the natural tooth. I'm going to continue on with the same nano A1 that I used for the palatal wall. I'm going to start building my next layer. All right, I'm going to inject the composite down into the pontic space. And then up onto that lingual shelf that I built. And then using that shelf to cleave off the excess composite. I like using this PS multi-use instrument, this blunt instrument, and I'm going to sort of pack it in to make sure it's blending into that palatal shell. And using it also to blend into the Teflon tape that's creating our ovate shape. You can see that I'm making a little lip with this composite. I'd like to get as much of the ovate form done at once. Now I'm going to put on my yellow shield again because my material is starting to polymerize. So to give me a little more working time as I'm demonstrating, I can use my IPC instrument to blend. And using an alcohol, lightly dampened alcohol gauze to keep my composite instrument cleaned. I do not need to use any adhesive on my instrument. And looking down from the incisor, I want to be certain that I'm not going to be taking up any space that I need for my enamel layer. So I'll build that in. And again, I just want to make this as smooth as I can. Okay. Build up that first portion. I'm going to light cure that for 10 seconds. I'm going to come back and add another layer.